How to fix session expired Google account issue in Safari. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can fix session expired Google account issue in Safari. So let's dive in. So first, if you open your Safari app and search for Google, and then you have to click your profile icon on the top right corner, it's going to pop up with this window. On this window you can see this session expired over here. If you have logged out any account from your Google, it's going to show you this session expired option over here. Now to fix session expired on your Google account, you have to click sign out all accounts on this window. And then it's going to sign out all the accounts on your window, and you have to click sign in on the top right corner once you sign out of all your accounts. So once you click sign in, you have to click remove account over here, and then you have to click this minus sign over here and click yes remove. Now it's going to remove that account, and now you can just log in into your accounts that you want to, and then you have to enter the password. I'm going to come back once I enter the password, and then you can save the password if you want to, and then you will be logged into your account. And now if you click your profile icon on the top right corner and click show more accounts, it's not going to show you the session expired option, and that's how you fix session expired Google account issue in Safari.